Let's make your English better. Can you choose the better sentence? Let's begin. Don't say, I will inform you. Instead say, I'll let you know. Example, I'll let you know soon. Which sounds better? Don't say, I am very angry. Instead say, I'm really upset. Example, I'm really upset about this. Most people say this wrong. Don't say, I will return back. Instead say, I'll return. Example, I'll return tomorrow. This sounds more natural. Don't say, he only said this. Instead say, only he said this. Example, only he said this. Quick one, don't say, she is having a car. Instead say, she has a car. Example, she has a car. Halfway there. Keep going, you're doing great. Don't say, I didn't went. Instead say, I didn't go. Example, I didn't go yesterday. Don't say, I am discussing about this. Instead say, I'm discussing this. Example, I'm discussing this with my team. Almost done. Don't say, I am agree. Instead say, I agree. Example, I agree with you. Don't say, he do not know. Instead say, he does not know. Example, he does not know. If you avoid these, your English will sound correct and more natural. Subscribe to learn more.